The APO-go POD is a version of Apomorphine POD that minimizes the handling steps, because patients don't need to wait until it's filled, like they do with the D-mine pump, or transfer the apomorphine from a vial to a syringe, like with the Chrono APO-go and Chrono PAR pumps. The APO-go POD is compatible with Chrono APO-go 3 or Chrono PAR 420 pumps. Besides one of these two pumps, you need the Chronobel sleeve, APO-go POD containing 100 mg apomorphine with a concentration of 5 mg per milliliter, an infusion line, a tray to hold all of the materials, and a waste bin. You can use the same pod for up to 48 hours, as long as a new infusion line and a different infusion site are used every 24 hours. There is no need to dilute APO-go POD before use. Remove the plastic cap from the pod and discard. Remove the Chronobel sleeve from its sterile packaging. Connect the infusion line to the top of the Chronobel sleeve and turn clockwise until tight. Place the pod on a flat surface and push the Chronobel sleeve firmly down onto the pod until the rubber stopper is pierced. The Chronobel sleeve with pod and infusion line is now ready to be connected to the pump. Slide the Chronobel sleeve with the pod inside into the collar on the pump by aligning the outer lip on the sleeve with the gap in the collar of the pump. Once inserted, turn the sleeve with the pod inside clockwise until it clicks into place. Press the on-off button. You will hear a beep and PR will be shown on the display. If instructed by a healthcare professional, the infusion line can be primed by pressing and holding the DP button. No more than 0.2 ml should be primed. Next, disinfect the infusion site. So the lower abdomen, inner thigh, upper arm, under the shoulder blade, or in the flanks. Insert the infusion line and remove the grip on the back. Secure the line with a tape. The pump can be switched on and the infusion started by pressing the on-off button. You will hear a beep and the display will say on. After a few seconds, you will see the remaining time on the display. Place the pump in a carrying bag throughout the day. The infusion is generally stopped at bedtime by pressing the on-off button. You hear a beep and stop is shown on the display. Remove the infusion line from the skin. Now press the DP and the minus button together to retract the pusher. Ensure the pusher of the pump is fully retracted and then turn and detach the Chronobel sleeve with the pod inside and the infusion line. Dispose of the Chronobel sleeve and the infusion line in a sharp spin. Store the APO-go POD at room temperature, protected from the light. Any unused solution should be discarded after 48 hours and a new pod used.
So I hope you liked this video. Absolutely make sure to check out the course this video was taken from and to register for a free trial account which will give you access to selected chapters of the course. If you want to learn how Medmastery can help you become a great clinician, make sure to watch the About Medmastery video. So thanks for watching and I hope to see you again soon.